Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making my better than takeout Greek chicken with a creamy tzatziki sauce, roasted potatoes, and green beans. Let's get cooking. First, I started by making the sauce. You'll see the ingredients listed on the screen, but here's how I did it. I grated the cucumber, lemon zest, and garlic using my box grater. In a bowl, I combined yogurt and mayo. Then I squeezed as much moisture out of the cucumber as possible and added it to the bowl, along with the lemon zest, grated garlic, and fresh lemon juice. I seasoned it with salt, and the salt I used was the Lowry's garlic salt, pepper, and a bit of Greek seasoning. I didn't have fresh dill, so I used dried, but fresh is definitely better if you can get it. So it takes it up a notch. Also, mint is optional, but I've made the sauce before, and oh my god, it tastes so much flavorful and it's delicious if you can add mint, fresh mint as well. Okay, now after you have mixed that, you're gonna pop it in the refrigerator. And next we're gonna move on to the chicken. So for the chicken marinade, I mixed extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, onion powder, garlic powder, Greek seasoning, paprika, and Lowry seasoned salt. I let it soak up all the flavor for anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours. Honestly, the longer the better. While that's hanging out, we can move on to the potatoes and green beans. And also, if you want extra flavor, I would let it marinate overnight in the fridge. Then it will really be flavorful. The longer the better. Always cover your bowl and keep it chill while it marinates. You can also use this marinade for shrimp or veggies as well. Now let us get the potatoes and green beans ready. Those are the type of potatoes I use. This is super easy. I use small honey gold potatoes, gave them a good wash. Then I sliced them in half and again down the center. I added them to an oven safe dish and I drizzled with extra virgin olive oil. And for the green beans, I use a bag of frozen green beans and I put them straight into the dish with the potatoes. I season everything with Mrs. Dash salt-free seasoning, Lowry seasoning salt, Greek seasoning, and black pepper. Then I topped it all with a few pats of butter and I popped it into a preheated oven, 375-degree oven for about an hour or until everything is tender and golden. The chicken's been marinating, so now let's cook the chicken. I heated some avocado oil in a pan, and we're just searing the chicken here, not cooking it all the way through because it's going to finish in the oven. So I seared each piece on both sides, working in batches so they get a nice golden crust. Once they're done, I transferred them to an oven safe dish and I added a few pats of butter and I poured in some chicken broth. Oh, and I forgot to say this. For the green beans and potatoes, make sure you cover them with foil before baking. So back to the chicken, you're going to bake the chicken in an oven for about 45 minutes until it's juicy and fully cooked. All right, and after it comes out the oven, look at this. Juicy Greek seasoned chicken with creamy homemade tzatziki sauce, perfectly roasted potatoes, and tender green beans. This meal was fresh, flavorful, honestly better than takeout. I can't wait for you all to try this at home. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy, delicious meals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.